You're watching Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Exploring HolidayLettings, a comprehensive review of the vacation rental platform. In this video, we'll dive into HolidayLettings, a vacation rental platform under the TripAdvisor umbrella, boasting an extensive array of holiday homes across the globe. Find direct links to the platform down in the description. HolidayLettings focuses on private accommodations, featuring everything from villas and apartments to charming cottages and one-of-a-kind stays. This makes it a compelling alternative to traditional hotels for those seeking greater space, privacy, and adaptability. A key strength lies in its impressive global reach, showcasing over 600,000 properties in sought-after destinations throughout Europe, the Americas, and beyond. Listings cater to diverse budgets and travel styles, ranging from economical apartments to opulent villas, perfect for solo adventurers, families, and groups alike. Because HolidayLettings is part of the TripAdvisor family, users gain access to valuable resources like detailed guest reviews, property ratings, and verified feedback, empowering travelers to make well-informed decisions. The platform also facilitates secure payment processing and direct communication with property owners, streamlining the reservation process. Navigating the website is user-friendly, thanks to intuitive filters for price, property type, amenities, and location, simplifying the search for the ideal accommodation. Furthermore, many properties offer flexible cancellation policies, a definite advantage for travelers seeking peace of mind when making travel plans. The TripAdvisor integration provides a convenient way to discover nearby attractions, restaurants, and read local reviews, enriching your travel experience. However, some potential drawbacks exist. Unlike hotel booking sites, HolidayLettings relies on individual hosts, meaning the quality of service can fluctuate. Response times are dependent on individual property owners, and some listings might include additional fees, such as cleaning charges or security deposits, which may not be readily apparent. Therefore, thoroughly reviewing all details before confirming a booking is crucial. In conclusion, HolidayLettings is a reliable option for travelers seeking private holiday rentals, bolstered by the trustworthiness of TripAdvisor reviews. If you value the comforts of a home away from home over traditional hotels and desire access to a vast selection of vacation properties worldwide, this platform is definitely worth exploring. Click the links in the description below to browse HolidayLettings and discover your next getaway.